Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2015 Infiniti Q50 that we have for sale. Very nicely equipped with features, has the Deluxe Touring package, giving you really nice creature comforts. It has this beautiful upgraded leather interior. Leatherette is standard, leather is an option. This one has it. Also has beautiful wood trim throughout. That also comes with the Deluxe Touring package. This here is a little drive mode selector, and it tailors the transmission shift points, throttle sensitivity, traction and stability control settings for different types of driving situations. You'll also notice that the Q50 has a dual display system. In fact, this is actually one of the first productions of its production vehicles to have a dual display system like this. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. The top screen is for navigation and the parking camera. You'll notice it has a 360-degree around view monitor. You can change views here. There's a nice side view for parallel parking, wide angle view. This also features direct adaptive steering. Again, another first for Infiniti. The Q50 is the first production vehicle of its kind to have direct adaptive steering. And during normal driving situations, there's no mechanical connection to the front wheels. It's all handled by electric motors and computers. The reason why Infiniti wanted to offer this system is it allows you to take a lot of control over the steering, and it can filter out unwanted feedback, like if you go over a bump or you drive over a pothole. Sometimes that will jerk the wheel. That won't happen with the direct adaptive steering, so it filters out the unwanted feedback and it communicates the feedback that you want. It's not like driving with a video game controller. You definitely have a lot of road feel, but you can also really take a lot of control over the steering feel as well. You can make the steering heavier and a faster steering ratio like a sports car, or you can dial it back to a lighter steering lighter feel to the steering with a slower ratio like a luxury car. The steering wheel also tilts and telescopes. This Q50 also features a Bose studio wheel sound system for you music lovers, moonroof, universal garage door opener, automatic dimming mirror. Really nice color combination in graphite gray on black leather. Also features upgraded chrome wheel package. Really looks beautiful, and these are really high quality wheels. Tinted windows really go nicely with that graphite exterior. The Q50 is built on the advanced front midship platform. It's a rear-wheel drive platform. It shares its platform with the Nissan 370Z sports car. So with that sports car DNA baked into it, it's a lot of fun to drive. Why would they use rear-wheel drive versus front-wheel drive? Well, rear-wheel drive is better for performance. That's why Mustangs and Camaros are rear-wheel drive. Ferraris, for the most part, are rear-wheel drive. Lamborghinis, for the most part, are rear-wheel drive because that's better for performance. Most race cars are rear-wheel drive. Front-wheel drive is good for building cars more economically, and it's also good for packaging because front-wheel drive can leave more interior space, which is also a positive thing. But when you're building a performance car, the list of priorities is a little different, so that's why the Q50 is built on that advanced front midship platform. And not only does it have an awesome rear-wheel drive platform, but another benefit of the advanced front midship platform is that they take the engine and they place it as far behind the front axle as possible, so the center of gravity is towards the middle of the vehicle, and that helps the car rotate on its axis through the corners, so it improves the handling and feel of the vehicle. And I also would like to mention this too, going back to the direct adaptive steering. I know people are a little bit probably shell-shocked. I wouldn't say shell-shocked, but they're a little bit nervous when they hear stories of like the Boeing 737 MAX and how computer systems can kind of mess things up, and you're kind of worried, oh, if I have like a computerized steering, what happens if the computer system gets fried or I lose electronic power? Am I going to lose steering? Well, no, that's not the case. There's actually a mechanical backup. There is a traditional steering column in this vehicle, so if there is a total loss of power, that mechanical backup comes in so you can still steer and control the vehicle. The heart of the Q50 is this award-winning 3.7 liter V6, makes 328 horsepower. This is considered one of the best V6s in America. It's been on Ward's Dealer Magazine's top 10 best engine list for over 20 years. I've been with Infiniti for 15 years, Nissan 2 years, and Nissan is also our parent company, and this engine is used in Nissan products as well. I've seen many variations of these engines come in for service or in on trade with 300,000 miles still running strong, which isn't a surprise since the engine itself is designed to have a service life of 300,000 miles. This Q50 is also backed by a 5-day, 100% money-back guarantee. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.